I thank His Royalness Maharaj Pradut Kishore Manika, the Chairman of Tea Pramota, and my General Secretary, Honorable Chairman of TTADC, Mr. Jagadish Dev Verma, and all other functionaries of different regional political parties. We are together here. I also thank CM, EMs, and all the elected MDCs, print medias, everyone here, including our all functionaries of regional parties. So we kept on discussion, assuring each other with Maharaji also. We wanted pre, but one thing I spoke there, it can be better post-poll also. One may win, one may lose, but our grievances come never end. Therefore, we being placed minority against our own will, on our own soil, and it gives us more impression and strengthen us to disobey the arrogancy and other some instrument which want to divide us. Today, I feel very full of joy, and I find every face of the print media's friends also charming. Some may not be very happy, but everyone is very conducive to the issue. And you all want that the change of the state should come at the earliest possible. The first change had been brought under the leadership of our Maharaj Pradut Kishore and all other functionaries of different regional parties. I do not remember all the names, but I know everyone, those who sacrificed their life. And today we would be happier if we could have some other elders and friends who began to fight for our existence in Tripura. Unfortunately, we miss them today. They are no more with us. Some are still there. They are unable to move from their seat, from their bed. And we're so happy that under the leadership of our Tea Pramota chairman, Maharaj Pradut Kishore, that the ADC has been attained. And we really fought for the ADC. Socially, we had been boycotted at the time of communist regime in our land. We could not use one well to draw drinking water. Our girl students were expelled from the school when they used to wear their own clothes. Our cockroach was not allowed to speak in any institution. We were beaten to forget our own mother tongue. We came across all these difficulties time and all these impediments we had to come across. Today, we can speak freely with any other citizens, and we feel proud today. And I wish this effort will continue, and our heart and mind and self-determination spirit, right for the last 55 years I've been struggling my whole life. Today I would be the happiest man to see the younger generation coming up with their motive and sacrifice and accepting the truth. So today, I hope my old colleagues, senior colleagues, and dynamic leaders, those who are running the administration of TTADC, will be newly inspired today also and work hard so that we can make our society free from corruption, and we can also work for the needy people, those who really need, and we can fight our way. Many are impediments coming on our way of administration. We live peacefully. We live a life of freedom. We want to live a life of various evil spirit, because everything is coming across our people also. Those who have a lot of problems, they will be describing this or that, but we would like to understand every individual, those who really think for the the advancement of the society. It can be termed as the area, TTADC, but we are equally concerned for the entire state, those who are economically weaker section. Weak is weak, poor is poor. Poor never described separately, either be it Mongolian, Aryan, Dravidian, or European. It's all the same. So we came from that background. We started our struggling life in years back, 1965, when many of you were not born, many of you were small boys or girls. But today, we're all grown up, and I'm happiest man at this age, touching almost 76, and still living as a statue, as a man. I don't claim myself to be a legend standing alone, but you are all my colleagues in your staff, and I wish you will today change your mindset so that you can be an instrument for the development, for the advancement of our society, those who are trailing behind economically, educationally. So today, once again, I thank every individual leaders here from different regional parties, because I have very short memory to name all of them, but equally I'm grateful for all of you today. And I wish, I pray to God, so that God will bless each one of us, those who are really carrying the clean heart. We want to build our society building on the rock, not on the sand. If we build our house on the sand, it will break easily. So we want to build our society on the rock, very strong. The wind may not blow. Any kind of temptation may not break it out. So thank you so much. God bless all of you. Thank you so much. We'll be sorting them out. And this is, we have decided yesterday in our Central Executive Committee, and we will be referring to our bigger bodies also. We have Constitution. We'll be minimizing and taking all our people of the state, those who are adherents to our INPT, so that we can come all together. And it's not very difficult for us because we base on situation. Therefore, it's nothing for us. It may be all because INPT represent TUSS, TNV, IPSP, and it represents present Tripura also. They are not away from the circle of our people. So I think they will also understand, and they understand already. That's why we are going to make some other arrangement, because it started today. It may take a few more days to settle everything, the functionaries of the party, and how we will carry on, how we will invite others also. So it's not difficult for INPT alone, because we remember, and it is the deepest concern for me especially, to come out of my TNV, TUSS, INPT. But it's nothing for the equal rights, for the interest, if we can resolve. Otherwise the situation, the problem will continue. If the problem can be resolved by coming together, that may be the goal of any political party. Political party doesn't mean that we cannot change our party. We keep on changing for common issue.
And here we are merging.
Merging, yeah.
We are not changing, we are merging.
We are merging together. So it's not so much of difficult mentally also, because we know how to digest any issue coming on us or against us. Therefore, we are still surviving today.
Also, would you like to say something to NC Babu, your old friend from this forum today?
For NC Babu, he was with me. He was government employee at the central government. He became director after TNV signed and accord. He was, I think, announcer of Kogrov. He was a very good announcer. His tune is very popular. So we love it. And we still love and respect him as one of the eldest fighter. But we do not know his present position now, whether he is still with the interests of the state, including the Triprasa. But if he still continues, then we hope he can change at this age also. I am changing my mind when it is necessary. It doesn't hold my age, it doesn't hold my position. Therefore, we are flexible for situation. So we are still respecting him. He may not, I think, remember, but we still remember. We welcome him.